Massive construction ongoing right here in Lekki Avana Phase 2. The construction that is ongoing, it will blow your mind. Every sections, every angles of this estate, massive development, massive building is ongoing. Hi, my name is Martinez from Martinez Home, a real estate consultant here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Today, I decided to come and give you the level of construction right here in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2. From what I can see right here, over 50 units of the bungalow are other construction. And again, all the materials being used right here on this estate, tested and trusted. And you are getting quality. You are getting quality because right here in Lekki Avana Bungalow, soil texture was carried out in order to give you the best, in order to give you durability when it comes to your own unit. For as many of my clients that took advantage, be rest assured that you are getting quality, you are getting value for your money. So your money is at work right here in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 estate. You can see the depth of each of these units, solidified, and everything that you see on the sample unit is the same thing you are getting in each of these units you are seeing right now. Recently, Zealous Home added over 100 engineers to the one on ground. In other words, work is going to be going on a daily basis, so that the aim of delivering this project within 6 months, 12 months will be actualized at the end of the day. And that is one of the confidence that I have, because the same rapid development that took place in the phase 1, and that is the same speed we are replicating right here on the phase 2 estate. As we speak now, the sales has been closed right here in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2. But worry not, the probability that the sales is coming up is there. And if you are yet to subscribe to Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2, worry not, just be preparing your money, save your money. When the opportunity comes, or when the opportunity arises, I will definitely bring to your notification. So that is more reason why you need to stay glued on this channel, so that you can take advantage of Lekki Avana Phase 2. Or if you are looking for either duplex or terraces or semi-detached, endeavor to reach out to Martinez, so I can as well recommend to you. There are various properties on ground, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified subsequently anytime I drop video. Come with me while I take you on the development that is ongoing right here in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 estate. You can see that this section, the level of the building has gone up, so, and you can also see the depth from the ground, so it is being solidified. So the raft foundation was done perfectly well to give you solidification, to give you durability of your home. And you can see some filling is ongoing right here on this section. Some filling is ongoing. So, and again, in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2, the topography is 100% dry land. Having said that, here in Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2, the master plan is top notch. There's going to be an underground drainage system that will help to convey erosion, so that you will not be having issue with flood, issue with erosion, and in between all of these units, there's gonna be uh, a street. So, and it will also be what interlock. All of this area will be interlocked, sandfield and interlocked. So when that is being done, it's gonna be so beautiful, even way more than phase one. That is what Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 stand for. All the basic amenities in an estate, you're gonna enjoy them. Gated community, there's gonna be security right here in this estate. There's gonna be constant electricity, unlike the phase one has its own personal transformer, and same thing will also be done right here in this estate. So all the street lights is solar power street light. So what that tells you that everywhere is going to be so beautiful at night. And not just that, Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 is known for greenery. So there's going to be flowers, trees planted right here on this estate, so that we get to enjoy nature. You can see work is earnestly going on. Over 60 units are under construction as we speak today. So if you compare this video compared to the last time I did an update video right here in Lekki Avana Phase 2, you can agree with me that we are not here to play. We are not here to play. We are here to deliver that which we promised you, the smart investor. And materials being used on site is being tested and trusted. So you are getting quality, you are getting value for your hard-earned money. Coming to site today, I was super excited because of the massive work that is ongoing, massive development that is ongoing. So time to time, I'm going to be keeping you posted on the update on development. And for as many who missed out subscribing to Lekki Avana Phase 2, this is not the end of it. Even if the Phase 2 is sold out, trust me, the Phase 3 is coming and you're not going to miss it for any reason. Okay, so endeavor to share this video to all your friends, all your contacts. Let them take advantage of Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 estate. And mind you, the accessibility to this estate is very, very, very easy. Less than 5 minutes drive, you get to Lekki Expressway. From Lekki Expressway, lead all the way to the Parliament Estate, Amen Estate Phase 3, Itunu City, Itunu Residential, and Tiara Estate, Ibeju Lekki. So Lekki Avana Bungalow Phase 2 is strategically positioned in the heart of Ibeju Lekki. For as many of you discovering this video for the very first time, it is located in the heart of Ibeju Lekki here in Elerogbe. Take advantage of this opportunity, subscribe to this channel so that when opportunity of available unit comes up right here in Lekki Avana Phase 2, I will definitely notify you. So the number that is popping up is my call line and also my WhatsApp line. Endeavor to reach out to Martinez home so that I can, either you want to buy land right here on this houses. We have Mikasa Lagos, just a stone throw from here. We have Zenita Gardens, and we also have Tiara Estate, Ibeju Lekki, and lot more. So endeavor to reach out to Martinez. So that's my call line and also my WhatsApp line. Reach out to me and I will give you further details about real estate opportunity, real estate investment right here in Lagos State, Nigeria. Until I come your way again, see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, stay blessed, and bye for now.